Okay, so I have to take this into Ubers. I made Steven's team. So far we've got Stone the Metagross. Good sets. Useless Lull. The lead. Trap. Aaron. Ha, classic, 100%. I'm creative. Definitely DNC. Garbage carving. And Skylar. Just because I need one awkward name, come on. You guys should know this by now, come on. Alright, so we're going to take this team, we're going to throw it into Ubers. Help me. Am I sure I walked into Ubers? I expected some Primal Groudons to just rock my team. Alright, this thing wins. Actually expected to just get rocked. Yeah, boy, you're gonna get psychicked. Get out of here. What are you doing? It was a good effort, though. It was a very good effort. At least I got one. At least I got one kill. All right. Do I have anything? Do I have any poison? Nope. About to go out to you because I do have heavy slam. I was definitely not looking at fire punch and then realized that I am part steel type. Genius. Oh, it just goes for a seed bomb. Oh, and it's dead. Good game. Oh, it goes out to Chandelure. Straight out to useless, lol. We're gonna earth power him. He doesn't have levitate. Does he have levitate? No, he doesn't. So this will do damage. If obviously I live. Of course I don't. That was a crit. Don't think it mattered because, you know, useless, lol. But better get to you and just earthquake this boy. That's what I have to do. Yeah, buddy. We're faster. Earthquake. Oh, that's speed. Oh, that's plus speed. Oh. Maybe. Oh. Wait. What did he use that boosted his speed? Oh, flame charge. I'm a genius, guys. I'm sorry. This comes in and wins. So, go to you. Wait, a hyper? What the fuck? I would have whirlwind. So we're just gonna. A player! What is this Don fan? I don't like this. I really, really don't. But can you just. Oh my god. Wait, I'm gonna counter here. No! He's faster. He's gonna stay on Hyper Voice. I can PP stall him. I don't have Whirlwind. Go to you. So I can Ice Fang it. No. Yes. No. I'm gonna Fire Punch it. Cause definitely just can't just, you know, close combat, you know? But at least if he close combats, his defense will be lowered. Do I need Aggron? Nah, we're gonna hope not. Because I'm basically sacking it here if he presses close combat. Oh, I'm faster. What? Cool. Oh, and he forfeits. Let's go! Gotta win with this garbage. In Ubers. Win. You just Quake, and then I lose. Alright. Forfeit, and hit battle again. Alright, we got fat. Gonna lead useless, lol. He leads fucking Groudon. I'm gonna Earth Power you. He leads his Groudon. What? What? Dude. Aerodactyl's faster, so even if it feels like killing this Pokemon. I'm only attacking here, so it's not like a sack. Oh, it's still a sack. Well then. I'm faster, right? Who else is faster? No one, so it's just you. Well, Life Orb damage. Yep, faster. I should just go out to like Xerneas and he wins. Nah. Yes, it is. Yeah, there, Xerneas. I definitely don't have a Steel type. Never. Never. Who brings a Steel type to Ubers, dude? Dude, he just wins. Fucking hell. At least he doesn't have like Stab. Oh, he missed his Focus Blast. Thank you. Thank you for the crit. Hey, can you miss this one, please? Wait, do I have sturdy? I don't. I should probably put sturdy. Who's faster? You're faster. Well, you kill though. But who's gonna eat this hit anyway? Def Deancy might. Def Deancy might. So we're just gonna gyro ball with this garbage. Did I need Aggron? Probably. I don't touch Gastrodon anyway. Or Venusaur. Or Fat. So it's basically a loss anyway, but we're just trying to see how much we take down with us at this point. Buddy, you press a button and you win. You press a button and you win. You press a button. Thank you. Good, we got rid of the actual Ubers. And now here is Fat. I don't deal with Fat. Fuck it, we're exploding. This turn we're exploding. Should have exploded last turn. Oh, he just growthed again. We got to you. Should I Ice Fang? No, we're just gonna Quake it, because, you know, part poison, yeah. Let's go Aerodactyl. Aerodactyl's carrying this team. Oh, now I lose. This was unfortunate. This was a good game. This was a good game. This was a this was a GG. I'm definitely Grass Knot. You should switch. Yeah. Yeah. Can this like crit flinch? Yeah, the only thing I have on this thing is counter, so we're just gonna. Oh, this is GG. It's a good game. All right, we're gonna try Ubers. Oh, we're going to Meteor Mash. Oh, it's Fire Blast. Oh wow, it's a good game. That was very close. I hate that I have to bring this to Ubers. This is terrible. Earth powering. You don't need rocks, dude. Who needs rocks in Pokemon? That killed. Claydol, I'm so sorry I named you useless. Claydol, I am so sorry that I called you useless. I take that back. He is literally the backbone of this team at this point. And I got another win! Let's go! Oh, I did not expect to even get one. But like, you know, luck has it, eventually. Ass player. Fuck yourself. Guys. I think maybe. I think. If I just... The opposing god shared its power with the target. I think maybe I can win. Possibly. What a G. So, what I think I learned here is... we should just put the Mega on Aerodactyl and take this into OU. Because I don't want to play this man again. You know, this man's only in this tier for those two Pokemon. And I respect them for it. I hate them, but I respect them. Now pick your Pokemon you want to win. Or don't. It's perfectly fine with me. You don't press Pokemon and win. No. So we're just gonna Earth Power you and hope you stay in for some reason. He actually does. And now it's dead. Claydol, I love you. I like this Pokemon more. Like a lot more. This thing is called useless, but it's been the backbone of this team. And I said that before, but I just need to say it again. So it knows how much I actually appreciate. Okay, you're garbage. You're getting thrown out. Oh, good dodge, good dodge, good dodge. Thank you, Stoned. Thank you, Stoned. He definitely does not just click crunch. He's not Mega, though. You would have Mega the last turn. Right? It's definitely Mega Mewtwo. Please? Please be Mega Mewtwo. You can still just crunch, but like this way it won't be stabbed. Or be boosted by an attack. Yes. No. Man, I'm pressing bullet punch. I'm stunting on this man. Watch him switch. Watch him actually switch. He was not expecting Thunder Punch. That's why he stayed in. I can guarantee you he was not expecting a Thunder Punch. And now he's in shock. And we both have Steven as our avatar. But only one of us is the real one. It's definitely me. Like, look at my team. Look at my team and tell me that I am not Steven. You can't. You physically can't. I'm basically going this just so I can sack, because he should Shadow Bone, right? Or maybe he wants to Flame Charge. I don't care. Or Flare Blitz. That'd be better, because recoil and he doesn't get speed. Buddy, press your move. Both your stabs are super effective against me. But the one way it's not super effective against this, I'm a god. Alright, I should be faster, so I can just... If he wants to stay in. Alright, good, he stayed in. When's he gonna go to his Ubers and win? No, we're still... I was about a rapid spin. Am I faster? I'm not. Unless he's not max speed. He is not max speed. Now it goes out to his Ubers and wins. This was a good game, guys. This was fun. It was fun while it lasted. Thank you for making it close. Yep, and... Does he have Levitate? No. I always need to make sure. Sorry. Anything that floats, I always have to check. I don't beat you. I don't beat that Pokemon either, so like, what am I trying to do? It has to be a physical Mewtwo, or else I lost. So I should just go this, Gyro Ball once, and then I'm gonna explode. Please switch. This man hasn't switched all game. Okay, that did nothing. So we're actually just going to explode for some damage. Go out to Skarmory, so he has to Drain Punch, and then I'm going to counter it. Look at this genius. Genius intellect. Otherwise I'll just look like a complete fool. Oh, he's these. Black Hole Eclipse. Oh, good thing that did nothing and I killed myself anyway. Ah, you can just Drain Punch here, buddy. Free of charge. Get your HP back, dude. I have 30, so we're good. We G. Yep, Drain Punch. And eat this counter. And you should Dark Pulse, I'm gonna be honest. I'd Dark Pulse. Because that Drain Punch did shit. In reality, I should sack Skarmory, but I don't want him to set up. Oh. So, considering this, I'm guessing he's special. And that literally helps me not at all. So, I'm about to just head smash his ass. And just try. And try to do something good with my Aggron. Was he, like, fearing something with Skarmory? Like, does Skarmory do good against the Darkrai? Oh, but Mewtwo is really good against Aggron. Okay. Am I faster? Ship. Nope, Speed Tie. So I'm gonna Pursuit. Hopefully he withdraws for some reason. I have Crunch. Withdraw. 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 Please. This is my only hope. That's pretty sad. That didn't garbage. Oh, we're stone edging. We're getting some actual damage out in here. If this misses, I literally quit. Like, this video. Like, 100% I quit. Alright. Thank you, Aerodactyl. I appreciate you. I don't trust Stone Edge. I don't trust Stone Edge. Because he would have to land a Dark Void or a Hypnosis for, you know, Dream Eater or his ability to work. And we actually win. I'm a legend, guys. That was well played. I'm faster, so if Stone Edge lands, you don't kill. I can't go out to you. So I lose. This game is fun. That didn't happen. I don't know what you mean. So we just out here. I don't have HPIs. So we're not gonna play you. But this eval is not physical. It's not a full physical eval at all. No, we're gonna head smash you. We're gonna hard head smash. Please switch. I don't know why you would. Switch into your Ho-Oh real quick. Goodbye, only chance at winning. Do you think he learned from the last time? He needs a meteor mash to miss. Do you think he can get it? Because I think he can. Yeah. Found it two at me. Hope it misses. No. GG. I was so tempted to just stun on him and press bullet punch and make him mad, but like, nah. He's over here just trying to have some fun, just like me. Oh. Yeah, I don't beat you. Maybe. It's probably Mega Chomp. Cause what else? Genius analysis me. Oh my god. I play this game for a living. Hey, can you pick your Pokemon? Pick your sack? Now he gets the quick attack. And I don't know if I want this Pokemon dead yet, but I don't care. So he gets a quick attack. So we get to go to you. We're gonna put in our Mega Trap. I forgot Aerodactyl's name. We're just gonna normal bullet punch you. What ability is my normal Metagross? Clear body? Yeah. Alright. What's gonna go out to? This thing is garbage. Oh, he's not even Magnapole. He's probably sturdy. Fuck it, dude. We're still gonna Earthquake. Wait, what is this attack? 1000 attack. Yo. What the fuck? Yo, there's no way that was lifting that. There's no way. Okay, maybe Ninjask. No, you don't have a balloon. You're not living. Even if you're sturdy, you're gonna die in one hit. Dude, you don't have corrosion. I'm steel type. Go Ninjask. I am clicking Earthquake. Please go Snorlax. Fuck yes, damage. Oh my god, Have you ever seen a Snorlax get literally almost get one hit like this? Holy God! This Pokemon just this Pokemon just guys finally learned. Finally learned. He learned the trap card. He learned the trap card, dude. It's about time. Too bad I have Ice Fang. Oh, you Mr. Toxic. Didn't matter though. I wouldn't have done anything. So I'm tempted to just Pursuit because I know I'm gonna miss. Alright, we're good. Alright, now we Quake. We literally have like 3 Quakers left. We got Stoned, Aeron, and, you know, Trap. So, unless he's my little cup set. He's my little cup set. Let's look at my attack. 600. He presses Recycle here and hopes I hit myself. Yep. He's my little cup set. Man, this man can actually win. This man could actually win if he just continues to do that. If I don't hit myself here, you have a chance. I love this 10,000 attack. I need to not hit myself. Press Volt Switch and hope I hit myself. No, fuck. Go out to you and just stall. He's not gonna double Swagger. So now I hit Earthquake, I do that, and then I hit Bullet Punch and hope I don't get confused. I avoid the Swagger. Let's go. Finally, we almost lost his fucking Magnemite. Oh my God. I would have cried. I would have cried. We're gods at this game. Subscribe. We're gonna play this one for the last one. We're gonna see how this goes. Oh, he wins. Alright. Yeah, I lied. We're gonna get one more. I hate you. You shouldn't. You should not need to take that long. Because now it's a speed boost. And, good game. Good game. Good game. That's fun. This game was fun. It was a good try. I'm too addicted, so I'm gonna hit it again. Okay. Wait. We're both doing team. I think this man's Gold's team and I'm Steven's team. Okay. I don't have a Sleep Powder switch in. So, let me get some damage. Special moves. Fuck it, we're getting our rocks. Now we're getting our rocks, dude. Just sack that Pokemon. And now I can go out to you, and I think I'm just gonna Fire Punch. And hope he stays in. That did so much. That did so much damage. Thank you, Bandit Aggron, for being broken. 500 attack. Cheers. For Alligator, this thing wins. So I'm gonna go you. Hope he sets up so I can keep my sturdy intact. Of course. Now let's do more. I'm still gonna counter. I'm expecting a switch because of counter. Nope. So he's gonna liquidation again. I should not live, because actually I should. And there we go, Skylar. I don't know why I pronounced R, like, you know. Skylar's doing stuff, and I like it. There's no way I'm faster. Yeah. So, who's faster? You're faster. But you're dead. So, it's cool. We're just gonna press Quake. Unless he wants to switch to his Crowbat, in which I can Stone Edge it. Yep, that's dead. The switching should be his Espeon. Actually, no, it shouldn't. Should be his Crowbat. Actually, he loses to Aerodactyl. Because I could just pursue this for the memes. And that does something. Okay. I don't do anything, because that's, you know, that's special defense, not physical defense. Even if it's still too much damage being dealt for him to live. Yep, and I finally win! Oh my god! It's a good game. Now that's a good game. I've got in this video, I don't know why you win, but if you did, please subscribe very much. My name is my friend Julio, and I totally forgot my own outro. And I will see you on the next videos uploaded. I remembered it, guys. I'm a genius.